Hello Internet, welcome to jamiljiral. I am Jamil Silva, and in this episode I'm going to show you how you can customize the viewfinder of the camera Sony RX100 III. Well, with this camera we have this viewfinder that is different from the Mark II, that it didn't have it. You have to buy this as an option. But now in this camera you have the viewfinder. Well, first of all, let's see how this viewfinder works from factory settings. Well, to open the viewfinder, you have a button here that will press down, and the viewfinder will open and the camera will turn on, and then it will open here, and now you can look through the viewfinder and then you will see through it. If your vision is blurry and if you cannot see it very well, if you cannot see things very well, you have to adjust here. You have this optical adjustment that you can do and set the image according to your vision. And something that is interesting for this camera, that when you close the viewfinder, the camera will automatically turn off, and there is no way out of this. The camera will turn it off. When the viewfinder is on, the monitor is on too, and there is a sensor in here that will turn off the monitor when you come close to this. According to the manual says that when you are using only the monitor, the camera will take over 320 pictures, and when you are using only the viewfinder, the camera will take only 230 pictures. You will take less pictures using the viewfinder. Maybe because of this. Every time that first of all, this is an electronic viewfinder. Of course, it demands energy to work, and something that is consuming energy, maybe it's this motion. Every time you come here, it will have to turn off this monitor and transfer the image to this viewfinder, and when you get out of it, and it will transfer again the image from the viewfinder to the monitor. And let's try to fix that. Something else that I want to say about this monitor, and I don't like it when it's like that. When you look through the viewfinder, the monitor here will turn off, but when you get away just a little bit, the monitor will turn on again. So if I am here about this short distance, the monitor will be active, and I don't like that, especially when you're taking pictures at night, because you are here in the viewfinder and you just move it away a little bit, and this brightness goes directly into your eyes, and I don't like that. I think this is not good. So I have just to touch. When my nose is about to touch the monitor, it turns off. So let's fix it. Oh, maybe not fix it, but let's try to do something different. Well, let's turn off the camera so that I can do this better. Now let's turn on the camera. Okay, you're going to press menu. And menu, you have in the second option here, in this kind of a wheel, you have the second option, finder and monitor. When you press here in the middle, you have OK. OK, we have two options, auto and viewfinder. When the option is in auto, this is what I'm talking about. The viewfinder is up and the monitor is on, and when you approach the viewfinder, the image will be transferred to the viewfinder, and when you move it away a little bit, the image will be transferred to the monitor. But once you press down here and go to viewfinder and press in the middle to select your image. Now the option is for viewfinder, and when you open the viewfinder, now the image will be only here in the viewfinder. You won't have the vision here in this monitor anymore, and I think it maybe will save some energy. Maybe it will take more than 230 pictures as it's written in the manual. Well, now you can use the camera, move it close to you, and the monitor will be always off as long as the viewfinder is on. If I want to turn off the camera, I will close the viewfinder again, and once I close the viewfinder, the camera is off. I will turn on the camera again using the button. And now it's on in the monitor. I will open the viewfinder and the monitor is off, and it will be off all the time. To turn on the monitor in this option, you have to close the viewfinder. But once you close the viewfinder, the camera will automatically turn off, and maybe this is not the thing you want for now. But I think this is better, this option, because of the things I told you. So you want to change it, and let's turn on the camera. If you want to personalize, to customize this option, you go to Menu, the second option here, the wheel, go to Viewfinder, press in the middle, and you choose Viewfinder if you want to have the image only the viewfinder, and Auto if you want the image to change between viewfinder and the monitor when it's on or next to your face. So if you want me to discuss or to teach you something about this camera, something about any function about the menu system, something that you really want about this camera, you can ask me and I will gladly do a tutorial for you. This camera has many interesting things that maybe people want to know more about, and you can ask me and I will gladly do it for you. And this is where I leave you, and I hope to see you in our next episode. And maybe this was a good video for you, and maybe you can like the video or subscribe to the channel. Well, see you then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye, cheers mate!